Oh, welcome to the Gilberto Morales Salina here in Medellin in Venezuela. Evans is good for three from deep. To get bodies back. Trout player down the middle like the express train. Taglietti. Little crossover, gets to the middle. That's a nice move. Finger roll is pretty. Ticks over the scoreboard. Gets Perez off downstream. Yeah, nice movement by Argentino, coming up with options and stroked it from deep. That's an effort by Evans. Hits the deck to keep it alive. He is good from the corner. On the break here, Guise's going all the way, and wow, nice follow by Awiri. Easy two on the scramble. Wow, that is a big time move. And then Tony's dunk won't count. Argentino de Junin complete the three-game sweep and will go to the second round.